guys, welcome back to my channel. I am looking forward for you to go to my comment box and I want to hear when we think about Indian festivals, what is your favorite sweet? What delicious Indian mithai comes to your mind? So today when I woke up, I suddenly had this craving and that's exactly what I'm gonna make just for you. It's my favorite easy peasy recipe, Gulab Jamun. तो चलो हम शुरू करें? तो पहले हम शक्कर की चाशनी बनाना शुरू करते, which is what we call the thick sugar syrup. So you need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, rose water. Let's put it into a saucepan and let sugar melt. Let's add cardamom powder और थोड़ा सा केसर. As the shakkar ki chasni starts to boil and starts reducing, let's let it simmer for a while we get started in making our gulab jamun. So in a pan, let's take some ghee and milk and let's heat it together. Slowly, let's add some milk powder and sugar. जैसे ये अच्छी तरह से मिक्स हो जाता है, let us add our toasted suji. As we add the suji into our pan, सूजी जो moisture है ना, वो moisture को absorb कर देता है. And as the dough is nicely formed and very fine, make sure there's no lumps because you don't want lumps in your dough. And at the same time, I will have to keep an eye on my shakkar ki chasni, which is ready and it's simmering and it's perfect. So as soon as your dough is ready, I take it into a nice big pan and I'm going to start kneading my dough. As soon as your dough is ready and fine and perfectly come together, please make nice round equally sized balls. Put it into the kadhai to fry it so it turns golden brown on the outside. As it's ready, please scoop it up and put it into the shakkar ki chasni. Let it soak into the shakkar ki chasni. And keep doing this until all the dough is finished. After this, you can have a hot gulab jamun, or like what I like to do, I like to make a big batch. Let it sit for 3 to 4 hours. As much as you want to eat, you can have it tonight or tomorrow. The rest you can just let it lay in a nice airtight container in the fridge. Please hit the bell notification if you want lots of yummy recipes, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and also post lots of pictures because I love to see what you made, how it looks.